What's up guys, this is a tutorial video on how to get a live wallpaper on your desktop, and this is how we're going to do it. You need Windows and you need nothing else. You don't need any third-party software or anything sophisticated. It's a really easy step you just need to follow. Basically, you have to download this app from the Microsoft Store and you'll have to install it, which I already own this and which I'm installing, and it doesn't really take much of a time. And done. So you're going to, this is the app, and you're going to need some very, videos and stuff, so skip to it. There is a tutorial on this, and anyway, browse folder. So I have a folder which already have a video on it, so it's in a MP4 format, but yeah, it's in a MP4 format. But for this app to use, you need a you're using the free version. I'm using the free version, so yeah, I'm going to use the WMB format, because at the free version you can only use the WMB format, but if you want to use all formats, you just have to purchase the app or upgrade it to the Pro. And yeah, here I'm going to give the location of my files, and yeah, look at it, the file not supported by the free version, and basically yeah, so this one is a supported one, this one actually. And now I'm just done double clicking it, and here it is. Your screen has now a live wallpaper which is very colorful. And yeah, basically you just have to download this kind of stuff. It's really available on the internet. Anyway, there's only 3 steps. Download the desktop live wallpapers from Microsoft Store, pick the video with WMB format, and done. Basically you're done. There is no sophisticated issue or no sophisticated software, no payment, no nothing. It's just basically there. You just need to find it and download it. Alright guys, thanks for watching the video. Subscribe, like, comment, and don't forget to criticize. Yeah, so this is my second video on the YouTube, so yeah, thank you.